How to fix screen flickering on Android. The very first thing you want to do is to restart your device. Long press your power button and then this interface will pop up. Simply click on restart and it will restart your device. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to do is to turn on the dark mode. For some time, turning on the dark mode will also fix the issue that you have been facing on your device. Once you have enabled dark mode, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to your settings of your device. In the source bar, you need to search for developer option. Well, if you haven't activated your developer option, then what you want to do is head over to About Phone and move into build number. You need to press the build number for 7 times and then your developer option will be enabled. Once it is enabled, head over to it. Different advanced options will be visible to you. Scroll all the way down and search for Show Service Updates. Once you find it, you need to make sure that this option is turned off. So that's it, and these are some of the ways in order to fix screen flickering on Android. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.